Next topic is prime factorization. What is the meaning of prime factorization? Composite numbers can be shown as the product of prime numbers. This process is known as prime factorization. Suppose if we are given with a composite number, let's take composite number as 12. So we can show the product of prime factors for it to do the prime factorization for it. Let's see how we are going to do this. It has two methods. First is factor tree method and the other is division method. Factor tree method में हम एक tree की formation करेंगे. We will be having branches and we will form a tree. And division methods we will do division. So let's start with the factor tree. The number is 12. I will show you how we are going to make factor tree for 12 and how we are going to do division method. So first of all we will write 12 in a circle. So 12 is a composite number. We will always start with 2. We will use one prime number and one composite number for the product. So first of all we will start with 2. 2 is the factor of 12. So this number 12, composite number 12 is divisible by 2. How many times? 6 times. So I will write 2. 2 is a prime number. So 12, 2 6 are 12. So 2 is a prime number. So prime number I will write left side and composite number 6 I will write on the right side. I will make 2 branches, 2 and 6. All the prime numbers will be written on the left side and all the composite numbers will be written on the right side. So here always start with 2. So here 2 6 are 12. Prime number, composite number, the answer is composite number. So हम इस 2 को टच नहीं करेंगे. ये 2 हमारा प्राइम नंबर आ गया. हम प्राइम नंबर को आगे फर्दर मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर सकते. We cannot divide this prime number further. So this 6 is a composite number. So we can further do. We can do the process further. So 6 again start with 2. If this number is not divisible by 2, go for 3. Then you will go for 5, not for 4. 4 is composite number. So we will always use prime numbers. So 6. So 2 3s are 6. Again 2 and 3. Once we get the entire branch in prime numbers, we will stop the factor tree. So here हम सिर्फ प्राइम नंबर लिखेंगे. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. हमारा आंसर 12 आना चाहिए. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So this is the factor tree method. Next is division method. So I will follow the same number. हम ऐसे एक लाइन बनाएंगे, 12 लिखेंगे. Here also we will write all the prime numbers. We cannot use 4, we cannot use 6, we cannot use 1 also because 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Always start with 2. अगर 2 से divisible होता है then use it. If it is not divisible by 2, go for 3, then 5, then 7. Do not use 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Always use prime numbers. So first with 2. So I will write 2 here. 2 6 are 12. Again 6 is divisible by 2. Though 6 is divisible by 3 also, you cannot use 3 here. You cannot use 3 before. First complete the division with 2 and then you will use 3. आप 2 3 2 ऐसे use नहीं कर सकते हैं. First complete the division by 2. So here also 2 3s are 6. Now this 3 is not divisible by 2. So we will leave 2. Come to 3. So yes, this 3 is divisible by 3. So now here we have got 1, that means our division method is finished. So we will write all these numbers, 2 into 2 into 3. So here 12. You will always see ये हमेशा increasing order में होगा. First go for 2 2 2, then 3 3 3, then 5 5 5, then 7 7 7. You cannot write 2 3 2 7 in this way. You cannot do. You will always follow a procedure. So this was factor tree method and this is division method. We will do the questions from the exercise. I will explain you some more examples, some more questions I will explain you, so it will be much clear to you. Now next exercise 3.2.